Okay, you've done your writing. So you've either got a Google Doc full of typing, or you have a page full of your handwritten story. So your next step is review. Okay? I don't even know if that's a word you know or a word you're used to. So when we review, we look back at something and say, is it as good as it could be? Okay? And this is the point. We're not looking at punctuation, we're not looking at spelling. That's on the fourth and final video. This is the step where we're looking at, is it interesting? Does it make sense? Did I actually write about a problem? And did my hero actually save the day? Okay, so first of all, let's look at, is it interesting? And that's where you could go back and add in a little bit of description. Okay, and that's where these missed lines in your handwritten text come in. Okay, because if you want to add a word, you don't want to have to erase the entire line and try and fit it in. No, you can just put a little triangle where you want that extra word, just that little pointer of the arrow, and then you can write the word above. So you've maybe written about the sky and you're thinking, oh, I didn't say it was dark and stormy. And that makes a big difference, because a dark and stormy sky is telling me there's going to be a problem. Yeah? So you could put a little arrow pointer and then you can write the word dark and stormy. Or if it's a beautiful day and it's just everything is fine, you might want to describe the blue sky with the puffy clouds. Okay, because that just says, everything in the world is wonderful. So again, a little pointer so you can add words. You could even add, if you think, oh, I actually should have explained how that happened. I need actually a whole other couple of sentences. You can do that too without having to erase everything. You can just put a little asterisk, a little star, okay? And then on another piece of paper or right at the bottom, you can put that asterisk and then you can write the sentences that you would want to add. Your grown-ups can help you with that. If you go to them and say, oh, I missed out 2 or 3 sentences and I really don't want to erase everything, they'll say, of course you don't. Let me show you how you can do that. Okay, you can put a little asterisk and then we can write this at the bottom. Okay, so that's the way that we can review. So go back, read your story over really quickly and say, can I make it more interesting? Do I need to explain something a little bit better? And go ahead and make those changes. And then come back for the final video. Remember, this is your main piece of work this week, so you've got plenty of time to do it.